Alright, so what we can do for fun is to break the regularity in those tiles. So let's jump inside and go into here. Nope, let's go here. Yes, so this is where the tiles are being instantiated. So let's break the regularity by playing with the normals, because right now the normals are way too linear and perfect. So let's break this with some simple vex. So here I will create an attribute wrangle, and I will say float max. Oops, sorry. Angle is equal to CHF max angle. Okay, so that I can have a threshold to play with. So it will tell how much I want the angle to be. Then I will do a float random value, because I don't want every angle to be changed the same way. So rand, and it will depend on the number of the point we are currently looping on. So this way it will really be random, because at pitchinum is always unique. Then I will do float angle is equal to radians. I will fit this rand val that I just created between 0 and 1. 0 and 1. Between two values. So minimum, I mean minus max angle and max angle. Alright. Then let's do vector 4 rot is equal to quaternion angle and at up vector, so that the rotation is going to be made according to the up vector facing the up direction. Alright, and then let's apply this rotation right here. So Q rotate rot at n. Alright, so if we increase this, see, we have a random variation of the angle around the up vector. Okay, so let's make it smaller so that it's more subtle, and let's see the result. So see, it's looking more natural like this. Okay, alright, so that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.